poppin', gang? We back with another vlog. Yeah, y'all. So today is Saturday. We about to go to Jamaica again. Yeah, y'all. So I'll be back when I get to the airport because I gotta fly down to New York right now. So I'll be back, y'all. See y'all later. Alright, we back, gang. I just got to my parking. Just parked up the B's. My mom over there. We waiting on the shuttle now to go to the airport. They need to hurry up because my flight soon leave. Yeah, we just got to the airport. My board way down on my body. I need to fix it, y'all. It's not that bad in TSA right now. And my flight is delayed. So yeah. Flying down here for nothing. Alright, y'all. Right now we looking for something to eat. They said they don't got no McDonald's, so let's see. What's this? Lovey. Nobody not. No, I feel like I would eat some real food, like Spanish food or something. I'm hungry right now. Like, yes, you would. You gotta go. Let's walk back this way. Let's walk back this way. Our gate is right here. We looking for some food right now, y'all. JFK is mad big. There's no way it's just this. Let's go. Hungry clothing, y'all. You hungry, Mom? Hey, what's poppin' to the vlog? What are you kissing up your teeth for? Or are you making a beat?
I'm hungry money by time.
Gio could hold out. I'm about to get a Jamba Juice, call it a day. Gio over there getting dunked. Let's see how this goes. Y'all, after reaching here from 11 o'clock, we're just leaving. It's now like 5 o'clock. 5:14, bro. We supposed to leave from 1 something. Just leaving, y'all. Shit crazy. I'm finally back in town. Yeah. Yeah. Back in the town. Top Shotta is back. I know what's going on. Yeah, my camera dying, y'all, so I'll be back when I get in a beat. What's poppin', gang? So, I'm about to head out now. Yesterday, I stopped vlogging y'all because I was mad tired. My flight got delayed for like 6 hours, y'all. So, I'm gonna insert the tour of my Airbnb we staying at. Cribs only. Touchdown, y'all. Security on the premises. Yeah. Yeah. No. I didn't actually. Where the pool at? And y'all, we about to go outside and get some food now. Today is Sunday, is Father's Day. So we just chilling today. We about to go get some food. Yeah, y'all, so I'll be back. Alright, we just pulled up to the spot, y'all. So this is the Boathouse Grill. Let's see what it's hitting on. My mic covering look dirty. Say what's up, y'all.
Look at almond. This is what the almond will eat, like, you know, come out of the top.
Come out of what? Boy, see you about to turn over the people that boats. I still think about you. Sir? Not direct there or nothing? It's the view for me. It's the vibe for me. Mine.
What was your film?
No, one.
Oh.
Thanks.
Who is the other one?
Mine.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Pineapple juice?
We just pulled up.
Can fly them
Nah,
and get them in
I'm
the
not
show.
too late, but I'm not even gonna lie. Gio, turn around. Show them your face. Got that shit on. Gio got that shit on. Watch your right hand. Yeah. Are you just up in that Bamatana car? That swag. Racing out here right now, so I had to come see what kind of toys they got out here. What kind of toys they got out here? Careful trip.